fetch, I ain't running for a nigga. Ain't ran since track meets, that's the only time I ran from a nigga.
Hi guys, so I thought I would just start this video here because I think most of it's going to be more in a vloggy style. So the other day I went on Depop and I got a few things which I'm going to show in my next video. I'm going to do a haul, but one of the items I got for a really good price, and they have like bleach marks on. You know how you go? And so I got them because I wanted to try the bleaching clothes. I've done it on a few items, but it's never like, I don't think I've done it properly. Nothing to lose on these. I think they'll look really cool. And I did just watch Jenna Marble's video of her bleaching a load of her clothes. So that meant I wanted to give it a go. The item that I got is like these pink vintage dungarees, short dungarees. It's got like the cool little carpenter style to it. The actual straps tie like this. But yeah, so it's just these light dusky pink overalls, and you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see on here, there's a few bleach spots. I might just like try and like scrumple it up and chuck some bleach on it and see what happens, because I know obviously it's like a denim material and people are doing their jeans at the moment. You know, I've just realised these were actually full jeans, but somebody has sewn them themselves. Someone did a little DIY. So yeah, nothing to lose with these, but I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. I just thought I would start this video today, when I'm not busy trying not to get bleach absolutely everywhere. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow when I'm going to start bleaching these bad boys. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm now going to be tying some elastic bands around the dungarees. So hopefully I've got enough elastic bands for this, but I'm probably just going to go for the scrunch up technique, because I don't really want it as a swirl or anything. I just want it kind of random on there. So that's what I'm going to do now.
You should have seen the way that you bloom.
Now we're down to 2 elastic bands.
I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know.
It's all scrunched up, so now I'm going to go get the bleach. With the bleach, I'm going to grab a bottle and then I'm going to fill it half up with water and the other half with the bleach.
I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
Just normal bleach that I'm going to put in with the water. Well, you can just put it further and the bleach will actually spread, instead of just you put the bleach on and it just stays in the one spot that you've put it on. So I'm going to mix that together and then I will be back out there applying the bleach to the dungarees. So I've got my bleach and water mixture. I'm literally just going to splatter it on this and hope it goes well. I don't know, I might do it on the pavement instead of grass. But I'm going to put the bleach on and then leave it for probably 2 hours maybe. Might leave it in the sun just so it can really go white on the pink. And hopefully it turns out well.
You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely.
As you've seen, I've now fully covered both sides of the dungarees So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna leave them out here to soak up. It's already kind of gone a lighter colour, I think, as soon as the bleach has gone on, so fingers crossed. They look really good. I'm just going to tip the rest of this away. So I thought I'd do a little update. It's probably been like 20 minutes maybe. I don't think I'm going to need to leave them for 2 hours because they're already looking like this. Hi Bo. It's quite peachy, I'd say, so that's why I'm just going to leave it for like 10 more minutes. But I can see that there's going to be some little splodges. Sorry, I'm trying to not get the shade on it. But yeah, it's looking pretty cool to me. I'm excited to see what it looks like when I open it up. Okie dokie. So now I'm going to rinse it in the sink and then I'm going to hang it on the line. And then it should be done.
The reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Only you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go
to... Yeah, it's got like a yellowy, pinky shade. Green, it's not green.
Oh, it was pink first.
Yeah, that's the pink.
It was the yellowy colour because we've got a skirt colour.
Yeah.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Looking up a bit.
So there's like a better look at them here now. They're hanging up to dry. They're literally dripping wet. But I think it's gone so cool. Especially on the front here, down that one leg. And the back has a lot more bleach on it. Like the pocket over there is a bit pinker. I think it looks really cool. I'm really happy with how they've turned out. And I can't wait for them to dry so I can try them on. Okay then, so it's the next day. You'll have to excuse the way I look. I have just gotten ready for the day. I thought I would show you the new dungarees on. Not gonna lie, I'm obsessed with them. They're going to look so cute for the summer. Even wear it with my bucket hat. It's a bit more purple, but kind of is a vibe, I think. I'm going to show you them on because I didn't show you them beforehand. Like I held them up, but now that they're all done, I thought I'd show you them on. So you can see where there's all the purple still, which I'm absolutely obsessed with, and how it's gone different colours on here as well. And this side's a lot more bleach than the other side. I've just paired it with a white bandeau top, and I'm just absolutely obsessed with the way these have turned out. Yeah, I would say this went really well. So if you do see the tie-dye trend, like for the bleach on TikTok, definitely give it a go with something. Don't spend loads of money on whatever you're gonna tie-dye though, just in case. But yeah, I really like how it's turned out on the colour, on the pink, love it. So I would definitely recommend doing it, and this was a big success. Yeah, if you do want to see more videos from me, subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know if you give this a go as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!
Dies, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one